You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I've decided to declutter and reorganize my vanity area where I put on my makeup. So I'm going to show you behind me how messy it is and we're going to try to fix it up today. So stay tuned. So this is how it looks. It normally isn't this bad, but from, you know, having a full-time job and really just not having enough time in the morning to get ready, I do leave my house at 6:30 in the morning and I'm always feeling like I don't have enough sleep. So this is the worst that it's looked in a while, and there's really no, really good organization. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I purchased a few things that I want to show you. So I did pick up, and these are drinking glasses. I was thinking that they are so cute that I could probably put some of my lip products or brushes or even eyeliners in these. And for $7.99, I think that is going to be helpful. I also picked up this makeup organizer. It's not big. It has 2 drawers. Another good find. This kind of matches my room, so I'm thinking this will help. I also ordered online these really cute tissue covers. That way, you can never find something that matches. And I thought that would help. And then I was at Tractor Supply, saw this tiered dessert stand, and I thought this would look really good if I was able to organize my makeup the right way. I thought this might be really cute.
So the first thing I'm going to do is start taking everything off my table.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box.
So this is the final product. This is how I organized. When I first started to think I was finished, I had too much product on the table, and I don't really think I need to have every single piece of my cosmetics out on the table that I'm using every day. I do like this tissue cover. I added a candle and some flowers and this cute little farmer's market vase that I picked up at TJ Maxx. The flowers were from TJ Maxx as well. The tissue box was from Amazon. The candle was from TJ Maxx. I will link the things from Amazon below, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to link any items from TJ Maxx. This little white box was from TJ Maxx, and I thought this would be a good way to stack up my eyeshadow palettes. This cute little dish with the marble top was also from TJ Maxx. Sorry guys, I know it really depends on where you live, to, you know, what your TJ Maxx carries. And then this tiered stand is, I wound up organizing this with different products that I use on a daily basis, all my brushes and that kind of thing. I still am thinking that I have too much on here, but that decluttering will have to be saved for another video. But anyway, I am happy with the finished project, and I like the way it turned out. So as you can see, I am done organizing my vanity, and what I did when I was out and about shopping is I would just look for containers that I thought were pretty and also useful. Containers like those glasses that I picked up at TJ Maxx that I thought would really serve as a dual purpose. So when you're out and about shopping and you're looking for something pretty, you just kind of can go into any aisle, even the dish aisle and like housewares aisles. It's amazing how you can come across little containers and things like that that weren't actually meant for cosmetics, just like the tiered dessert tray. Who would have ever thought, you know, people would be using a cupcake tray to organize their makeup, or even for decor like a lot of people do. So anyway, as usual, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and comment below what you think is the best way to organize your vanity or what has helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.